In exercise 8.3, question number 2, Kamala borrowed rupees 26,400 from a bank to buy a scooter at a rate of 15% per annum, compounded yearly. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months to clear the loan? So, she borrowed rupees 26,400. That has to be taken as the principal at the rate of 15% per annum. So rate can be taken as 15%. What amount will she pay at the end of 2 years and 4 months? So n is equal to 2 years and 4 months. So here we have already seen a question in this format, that is when we have the number of years in fraction, we have to calculate the compound interest for the first 2 years, that is for the whole number whichever is given in years, and the months should be converted into a fraction, and that should be for that period we have to calculate the simple interest, and finally both the interest will be added together, and then we can find the amount which the person has to pay at the end. So here the principal, rate and number of years is given. So here first of all we have to consider the number of years as only 2 years, and for this we need to find the compound interest. As usual we have to use the formula A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. So it is 26,400 into 1 plus 15 by 100 the whole power 2. And now here we can cancel this. 5 3s are 15 and 5 20s are 100. So it is equal to 26,400 into 20 into 1. 20 plus 3, 23. So 23 by 20 the whole power 2. So 23 by 20 into 23 by 20. So after cancellation, 34,914 rupees. This is the amount after 2 years. Now we need to calculate the compound interest after 2 years. So compound interest CI is equal to A minus P. So it is 34,914 minus 26,400 is equal to 8,514 rupees. This is the compound interest after 2 years. Still, we have to calculate the interest for the next 4 months. Since the interest is being compounded annually, we have to use only the simple interest formula for calculating the interest for the next 4 months. So simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Here the amount has to be taken as the amount at the end of 2 years has to be taken as the principal. So 34,914 into time period is 4 months. But we have to convert into years and then only we have to substitute in the formula. So it is 4 by 12 into 15%. So PTR by 100, 15 by 100. So now 4 ones are, 4 threes are, and 3 ones are, 3 fives are, 5 ones are, 5 20 times, and when we divide these two we will be getting 1,745 rupees 70 pice as the simple interest. Now total interest after 2 years and 4 months. First we calculated the interest for 2 years and then for next 4 months. Now we have to find the total interest. So total interest for 2 years and 4 months is equal to 8,514 plus 1,745.70. So it is equal to 10,259.70. So we finish finding the total interest, and now let us calculate the total amount. The total amount after 2 years and 4 months means whenever we want to calculate the amount, we have to add the principal and the interest. So here the principal is 26,400 and the total interest is 10,259 rupees 70 pies. So finally we will be getting the answer as 36,659 rupees 70 pies. Question number 3. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per annum for 3 years at simple interest, and Radha borrows the same amount for the same time period at 10% per annum compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So here we have to do a comparison between simple interest and the compound interest. So here if we see, the amount is same, time period is same, but the rate of interest is getting differ. That is, for simple interest it's 12% per annum, and for compound interest it is 10% per annum. And we have to calculate this for two different persons. One is for Fabina, another one is for Radha. Here principal is rupees 12,500 and n is equal to 3 years and r is equal to 12% per annum. And for Radha, principal is rupees 12,500 and n is equal to the same 3 years. Rate of interest is 10% per annum compounded annually. So here for Fabina we have to calculate simple interest. So simple interest PNR by 100. So it is 12,500 into 3 into 12 by 100. After cancellation and multiplication, you will be getting the answer as 4,500 rupees. And here now if you want to calculate it for compound interest, we need to find the amount first just by using the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. So it is 12,500 into 1 plus 10 by 100 the whole power 3. So 0 0 gets cancelled. 10 into 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 10 the whole power 3. So it is 12,500 into 11 by 10 multiplied for 3 times. After cancellation, we will be getting the amount as 16,637 rupees 50 pies. This is the amount, and now we want to do the calculation for compound interest. For that we have to just subtract amount and principal. So 16,637 rupees 50 pies minus 12,500 gives you 4,137 rupees 50 pies. So now here you see, this is the simple interest and this is the compound interest, and now the simple interest is greater than compound interest. So Fabina paid more interest than Radha. That we have to write as the result, and also we need to find out how much she paid more. For that again we have to subtract these two. So 4,500 minus 4,137 rupees 50 pies. If you subtract it, you will be getting 362 rupees 50 pies, and that is the difference.